my toys. You might just see maybe these stupid things, but I'm gonna get more toys soon. And that's my uncle drinking his pie. And now for this is my WWE SmackDown belt that I won last week in a match. This is the gun that I look through. See, you look through it and shoot. And this is my bubbles, everyone. It's not really funny, it's so funny. And this is the lizard. And this is Bikey. You can run. You just pass. And this is my Joesty Handy Dandy. And he can actually turn into Spider-Man. Look here. Look, everyone. Here it is, everyone. Now he's Spider-Man. Dun, 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 dun. And that's all my toys. I'm gonna get some more tomorrow. But later, guys, please hit the subscribe